It was day 12 of lockdown 2.0 and several states where no COVID-19 cases were reported relaxed lockdown restrictions and allowed non-essential shops to remain open. But Delhi and Maharashtra are likely to extend the lockdown as the number of cases are being reported from these states show no let-up. Here's the report.
The number of COVID-19 cases is increasing in India by the day. The number of COVID-19 cases rose to 26,000 and the death toll to 824 as of Sunday afternoon. Maharashtra has the highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. It has 7,628 cases as of Sunday afternoon. Most of these cases are from India's financial capital, Mumbai. 80% of COVID-19 patients are asymptomatic in Maharashtra. Mumbai. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray said 80% of the COVID-19 patients were asymptomatic, meaning they show no symptoms of the deadly disease. He said the next 3 to 4 months were very crucial for the state. Thackeray said that he was reviewing the situation and would take a decision on what to do after April 30th.
की 80% लोक ही ज्याला एसिम्प्टोमॅटिक म्हणतो म्हणजे ज्यांना काही लक्षणच नसतील म्हणजे त्यांना जर का आपण चाचणी घेतली नसती तर कळलंच नाही नसतं कदाचित की यांना कोरोना होऊन कधी गेला आहे हे सुद्धा ही एक चांगली बाब आहे पण 20% जो भाग आहे त्या 20% मध्ये मध्यम गंभीर आणि अतिगंभीर ही लक्षणं जी दिसतात ती तेवढी सुद्धा दिसता कामा नयेत.
Thackeray also said that trains in Mumbai would not start operating anytime soon and assured migrant workers that he was in talks with the centre and whatever necessary would be done to address their woes. Delhi. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan visited AIIMS Trauma Centre in Delhi to check on the facilities. The hospital has been converted into dedicated COVID-19 hospital. Harshvardhan said that India's COVID-19 cases were under control compared to other countries. He said the situation was improving in the country.
अगर 14 दिन के अंदर हमारा डबलिंग रेट 8.1 था तो पिछले 7 दिन के अंदर वो डबलिंग रेट हमारा 9.3 हो गया और अगर पिछले 3 दिन के डबलिंग रेट की मैं बात करूं तो ये 10.5 है यानी लगातार हमारी जो देश में स्थिति है वो इम्प्रूव होती जा रही है. हमारे जो हॉटस्पॉट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं वो धीरे धीरे हमारे नॉन हॉटस्पॉट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के अंदर जाते जा रहे हैं.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that standalone shops and shops in green zones would be allowed to open.
केंद्र सरकार ने कुछ तरह की दुकानें खोलने का निर्णय लिया है. उस केंद्र सरकार के आदेश को हम दिल्ली में भी लागू कर रहे हैं. जो रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज में इक्की दुक्की दुकानें होती हैं, स्टैंड अलोन कोई दुकान है, नेबरहुड की कोई दुकान है, इक्की दुक्की इस तरह की जो दुकानें हैं उनको खोलने की इजाज़त केंद्र सरकार ने दी है. उन इक्की दुक्की दुकानें जो नेबरहुड में है, स्टैंड अलोन है, रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज में है, उन दुकानों को जो केंद्र सरकार ने इजाज़त दी है वो दुकानें दिल्ली में भी खोली जाएंगी.
Kejriwal also requested people who have recovered from COVID-19 to donate plasma cells and help COVID-19 patients whose condition was critical. Tamil Nadu. 5 cities in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Salem and Tirupur are under intense lockdown for 4 days to check the spread of the virus. Several markets and busy roads in the state wore a deserted look because of the intense lockdown. The AIADMK spokesperson Kovai Satyan said that the 4-day total lockdown would help to contain COVID-19 cases in the state.
Intense lockdown for another 4 days on the top 5 districts which are in COVID greater in numbers in Tamil Nadu is concerned. So I would say that the government has put in their best of their efforts considering the so many setbacks and drawbacks we had. I think they had put up a very valor show, great show with so many constraints in hand, and they have won the confidence of the people, and we hope that India will be the only country with such a massive population which overcame the COVID with these kind of right measures.
Kerala. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan held a video conference with district collectors, police workers and health officials and reviewed the COVID-19 situation in the state. Meanwhile, Congress leaders staged a protest in front of Raj Bhavan in Thiruvananthapuram, asking the government to bring back Keralites who were stranded in other countries.
Middle East nations. So if you see the steps taken by various other countries, including Russia and France, they're making special arrangements for the Russians and French people who are in India to be flown back to their home country. Similarly, there's a huge outbreak issue in many countries, and we're getting innumerous calls from the Pravasis, the Malayalis, expats who are there in other countries. So today we are holding a protest in front of the Raj Bhavan to plead on the Honorable Governor and the central government to make special arrangements to bring back expatriates, especially the people who are in dire straits, the people who are in utmost need now.
Patna, Bihar. Elsewhere in Patna, Bihar, hundreds of people gathered at a market. The crowd ignored social distancing norms and most did not wear any face covering whatsoever. Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Lockdown was relaxed in Raipur of Chhattisgarh. Non-essential shops were allowed to open and people thronged shops for shopping. A News 9 report.